Is sending money through Wave safe? Let's dive in. Ever needed to send money quickly to a friend or family member, but felt overwhelmed by all the different options? Peer-to-peer, P2P, payment apps like Wave are becoming increasingly popular, promising a fast and convenient way to transfer funds. But with all the financial apps out there, a crucial question arises: is Wave safe to use? This video will take a deep dive into Wave, exploring its security features, user experience, and potential drawbacks. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of whether Wave is the right fit for your money transfer needs. So, how does Wave work? Wave operates primarily through mobile phones. You download the app, create an account, and link it to your bank account or mobile money wallet. Once set up, sending money is a breeze. You simply enter the recipient's phone number or scan their QR code, specify the amount, and hit send. The recipient receives an instant notification and can access the funds through their own Wave account or by cashing out at a designated Wave agent location. Security first, exploring Wave safeguards. Security is paramount when it comes to sending money online. Here's how Wave aims to keep your hard-earned cash safe. Multi-factor authentication, MFA. Wave utilizes MFA, which adds an extra layer of security beyond your password. This typically involves entering a code sent to your phone after logging in, making it harder for unauthorized access. Data encryption. Wave claims to use industry-standard encryption to protect your personal and financial information. Encryption scrambles sensitive data, making it unreadable to anyone who shouldn't see it. Transaction monitoring. Wave employs automated systems to monitor transactions for suspicious activity. This helps to identify and potentially prevent fraudulent transfers. Beyond the basics, user reviews and reputation. While Wave's security features sound promising on paper, it's important to consider real-world user experiences. Here's what we found. Generally positive reviews. Many Wave users praise its user-friendly interface and fast transaction times. The ability to send and receive money using just a phone number is a major convenience factor. Potential concerns. Some users report encountering issues with customer support, particularly when dealing with complex problems. Others have expressed concerns about the limited availability of Wave agents in certain locations, which can hinder cash-out options. Is Wave right for you? Weighing the pros and cons. Pros. Convenience. Sending and receiving money is quick and easy using the Wave app. Accessibility. Anyone with a smartphone can access Wave, making it a valuable tool for those without traditional bank accounts. Affordability. Wave generally boasts competitive fees for money transfers, particularly for domestic transactions. Cons. Limited cash-out options. In some areas, finding a Wave agent to cash out funds might be challenging. Customer support concerns. There have been reports of difficulties reaching customer service representatives for assistance. Newer player in the market. Compared to established P2P giants, Wave may lack the same level of brand recognition and potentially user base. The final verdict: it depends. Whether or not Wave is safe ultimately depends on your individual needs and risk tolerance. Here are some scenarios where Wave might be a good fit. You need to send a small amount of money quickly and easily to someone within your country. You and the recipient are both comfortable using mobile apps for financial transactions. There's a readily available Wave agent location near the intended recipient. However, you might want to consider alternatives if you're sending a large sum of money. You require robust customer support for peace of mind. You prioritize established P2P services with extensive user bases. Remember, staying informed is key. Before using any P2P app, it's wise to research its security features, user reviews, and fee structure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.